raving, Lisa. Embrace it. Embrace the rave. Can we have some rave music, please?
No.
What do you mean, no?
I'm not dancing tonight. I'm on a dance band.
You what? Why are you on dance band? Dance band.
Dance band.
Why are you on dance band?
Just because I said.
Wow, that's not like you. Come on, give us a cheeky little one. Just a cheeky one. Yeah, so we need the rave music now.
That's it. That's it. That's why I had a band. Oh, I put my shorts on.
Oh, no. You did
Valerie,
funky chicken.
Maury from South Cheese. Hello, me lovely. Leslie's there. Carol's there. Christina's there as well. Maury's a regular buy for me.
Yeah?
She keeps it like, it's from the same hometown as me. Hometown.
I like your dress wearing, Lise. Is that up next?
Is it up next, my dress?
Later?
No, it's as your provocateur.
Oh, yeah, is that
as your provocateur?
Are we allowed
11 o'clock.
Are we allowed to sell the fragrance from in the bedroom?
Well, people missed out on this last night, so I've asked to bring it back.
Yeah, they did. It was really popular.
It was. I'm not surprised. Not surprised. 60, 15, 14, 13 seconds. As long as you're on the phone, bed temperature 0. Are you comfortable there?
Yeah, I'm really comfortable. It's really nice to sit on.
Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm excited about the next one. It's the perfume.